Good morning students. In the last few classes we already discussed about basic geometrical ideas. Today we are discussing one more important topic in the chapter basic geometrical ideas, that is triangles. What do you mean by triangles? Let's see. As you know, what is the meaning of triangle? Tri means that is 3. So what is the definition? A simple curve or a polygon formed by 3 line segments is known as triangles. How many lines? 3 line segments. Just you have to observe here how many sides are there. That is 3 line segments is known as triangle. Okay. Next. This is a simple definition of triangle. What is that? A triangle is a closed figure made up of how many line segments? Yes, 3 line segments. A triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segments is known as triangle. Example is given here, that is triangle. You can draw like this also. It is also example for triangle. Okay. As you know, what is the definition of triangle? Let us move. What are the properties of triangle? Okay. See, what are the properties of triangle? Properties of triangle, that is, first one is a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. See here, there are 3 sides in an triangle and vertices. What do you mean by vertices? As you know, the points is known as vertices. How many vertices are there? 3 vertices. And how many angles? 3 angles, that is 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle. So in an triangle there are 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. This is the first property. And second property, the sum of the 3 interior angle. Interior means, as you know, inside the angle. The sum of the interior angle is, that is how much? 180 degree. Interior angle is 180 degree. This is an important question about triangle. The sum of the 3 interior angles of a triangle is always how much? 180 degree. Next one, the sum of the 2 lengths of a the sum of the length of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of third side. So in this third point you have to take a right angle triangle. The right angle triangle, that is 90 degree here, 90 degree here. So in the third point, the sum of the length of 2 sides, just you have to take these 2 sides, is always greater than the length of third side. So always greater than the length of the third side. Okay. Next, a triangle with vertices PQRS is denoted as triangle PQRS. So this is the example of PQRS triangle. PQR triangle. You have to write down or denoted as triangle symbol PQR is a triangle. If it is ABCD, then you have to write down triangle ABC. Okay. Next one, that is a triangle has, as you know, triangle, in a triangle 3 line segments are there, or 3 sides. There are 3 line segments. Okay. Next, how many vertices? 3 vertices, that is 1 vertex, 2 vertex and 3 vertex. And how many angles? The angles, how many angles are there? 3 angles, 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle. That's why in a triangle 3 line segments are there, 3 vertices are there and 3 angles are there. Okay, is it clear? Next, there are 6 types of triangles. How many types? There are 6 types of triangles. Let us see one by one. First, on the basis of lengths of sides. On the basis of length of sides, triangles are classified into three categories, that is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, that is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. On the basis of sides means if triangle is given here, these sides. On the basis of sides, how many types? There are three types. Okay. On the basis of angles, it means here triangle is there. On the basis of angles, again they have classified. There are three types, that is acute angle triangle, a right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now first one, that is, as you know, types of angles based on sides also and based on angles also. So this is based on sides. First one is scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? This is a type of triangle has all three sides or edges of different length. Due to this, the three angles are also different from each other. For example, just you have to see this diagram. This side is different, this side and this side. Just you have to compare all three. All sides are different. For example, scalene means, just see here, scalene means it is a rough diagram. It means here 2 centimeter is there, here 3 centimeter there. If it is 4 centimeters is there, because it's based on sides. Sides. It means 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. All the sides of the triangles are different. That time we call it as a scalene triangle. It is the simple definition of scalene triangle. Let us see here. A triangle having all three line segments or sides unequal, that is unequal, is known as scalene triangle. A triangle having all the three line segments means one triangle ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲಿನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ this length is different, this length is different and this length is different. So all the sides are different length is known as scalene triangle. Okay, let us move. Next one is, that is isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the two angles opposite to the two equal sides are also equal to each other. This fact also supports the famous isosceles triangle theorem. About this we will discuss in higher classes. Next, isosceles means, as you know, in a scalene triangle all sides are different, but in the isosceles triangle the two sides are equal and the third side is not equal. It means if it is 2 centimeter, this one also 2 centimeter, this is different from both two sides. Means here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeters, this one is 3 centimeters. Isosceles means two sides are equal, third side is unequal. This is called isosceles triangle. Just a simple definition of isosceles: a triangle having a pair of its sides or two line segments equal is called isosceles triangle. Take another example. That is, so in a diagram, wait, in this diagram, okay, these two are equal lengths. It may be 3 centimeter and this one is 3 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This one is, see here, 2 centimeter. Here two sides are equal and one side is not equal, means that is isosceles triangle. Okay, if for example ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ another example. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮೂರು ಸೈಡು ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, next moving to the next one, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral, as you know what is the meaning of equal. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle andre equal means so all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, so it is a easy definition. Equilateral means when the all sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. So the type of triangle has all three sides are equal to each other. Due to this, all internal angles are equal degree. Each angle has how much? 60 degree. So it means in an equilateral triangle all sides are equal. It means if it is 2 centimeters, this one is also 2 centimeter and this one is also 2 centimeters. All sides are equal. The interior angle is, that is 60 degree. Here also 60 degree and this one also 60 degree. Okay, equilateral means all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle alli ella sides equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Take another example for equilateral triangle. ಈಗ ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. The types of triangles based on angles. First one, acute angle triangle. What do you mean by acute? As you know, acute means small angle. It is small angle in between 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this triangle has all of its angles less than 90 degree. All of us have less than 90 degree. This is based on the angles. Angles ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದು acute angle triangle ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. acute angle triangle ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು acute angle triangle ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 90 degree is known as acute angle triangle. Moving to the next one, that is right angle triangle. This triangle has any of its one angles equal to 90 degree. It means right angle triangle. As you know about the right angle triangle, right angle triangle means exact 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, any of one its angle is 90 degree. 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. See here, this side, this is 90 degree. 90 degree angle means it is right angle triangle. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, next one, that is obtuse angle triangle. As you know about the obtuse angle triangle is also known as big angle because it is up to greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. obtuse angle triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಆಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಆಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. The area of a given triangle can be derived with the help of knowing the length of the base and height. Suppose a triangle with base B and the height h is given to us. Then the formula is, see, in a triangle the height is given and if base is given, height and base, just you have to observe this diagram. height ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, then it will triangle ಒಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಡುವಿನ height ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, height and base and height ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ that time the formula is area is equal to half into b into h. half into b into h. The formula of area is half into b into h. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಫ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. You can write down half BH means base into height. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about types of triangles. As you know, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, all are based on the angles. So acute angle triangle means it is all angles are less than 90 degree. ಇಲ್ಲಿ all angles are less than 90 degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ. and right angle triangle ಅಂದರೆ one angle 90 degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 90 degree. Is it clear? Obtuse means more than 90 degree, right angle means exact 90 degree, acute means less than 90 degree. So this is about types of angles based on angles, and this is about types of angles based on sides. So how many types? That is, as you know, equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Equilateral means all three sides are equal. Okay, isosceles means two sides are equal, and scalene means no sides are equal. So So is it clear about is it clear about equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle? Okay, this is all about triangles. In the next video we will discuss about new topic. Until you have to take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.